So looking at what is happening, this is Chirumanzu, Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa's rural home. Ndo kwavanenge vachiti kwachinoti home kwawo ikokoko. And this is the place which was invaded by the comrades. A very, very good initiative right there. And the comrades are not stopping anytime soon. They are continuously hitting the ground, various areas, different areas, making sure that they hold accountable this regime. You know, hakuna chisingaperi pasi pezuva, and we are seeing efforts, strides by this team to make sure that they penetrate each and every area. Inonzi ndo kwavanenge vachitamba vachibira mavhotsi vachiita sei ikokoko. And a very, very good initiative from the comrades. So when we talk about change, we are serious about this issue called change. That is the reason why you are seeing Nelson Chamisa's lieutenants everywhere. Vachienda vachinopinda vachisangana nevanhu vachiita zvinhu zvakasiyana siyana. That is what we expect from our comrades. This is what is very important to be doing. So vaiva vanenge vachiti Chamisa ari kupi, Chamisa apera, his comrades are on the ground working 24/7. Recently they were in Gutu, they were in Masvingo, they were in other areas, various areas, different areas. Go to Matebeleland, they are there. Go to Masvingo, they are there. Go to Manikaland, they are there. Everywhere Team Chamisa is there, doing great things, things which you don't normally see happening. Those are Vakomana. Meaning to say, these are serious people, very, very, very serious, 100% serious, and they are determined to bring change. They are determined to grab these rural seats from ZANU-PF. We don't want to give ZANU-PF any chance in the future. We want to make sure that we close all the avenues being used by ZANU-PF. One thing we noticed during the 2023 elections is that intimidation thrives when you have a weak link. Once you close the link, once you have a stronger link, then it becomes very difficult to continue intimidating people, because at a certain point in time people will say enough is enough. People can say tinodzorera. Once people are able to say those words tinodzorera, then the enemy is defeated, and we can only achieve that when we unite, work together, and when we invade these critical areas. These are very important areas, very critical areas, and this is the reason why we have said we have serious people doing serious things right there and at the right time. They are actually not leaving any stone unturned. They are doing whatever they can to make sure that they give ZANU-PF sleepless nights. So very interesting moments, and we'll continue to watch and see what is really happening, what is really transpiring. But this is good news. I just love to see people mobilize. I just love to see people working so hard for the sake of change. So this is Chirumanzu and comrades were there. Day na day, zvishoma kusvika tasvika, tinosvika musi wekuti shanduko inowanikwa chete munyika yeZimbabwe. And hakuna musi usingasviki, hakuna musi usingasviki, and we are going to make sure that we win Zimbabwe for change, and Zimbabwe must come back to its original owners. Kwete zvatiri kuona izvi zvokuti maChina ndo vakuona Zimbabwe maRussians, ndo vakutorwa sevanhu, isusu tichitorwa as third party citizens. It can't, we can't continue to have some people doing nothing in our government. We need serious people. We need people who are going to bring change, people who are going to bring things, who are going to change the narrative, who are going to make things happen in a more better way. And that is the reason why we continue to fight and stand in solidarity with our comrades.